My name is Ryan Miller. I'm the founder of Zenith Project. Zenith Project was born out of my distaste for cold outreach. My background's in sales, cold calling, door knocking, and every time I did cold outreach, I was thinking to myself, I think that I can use AI to automate the worst part of sales. And so I started building Zenith Project to do just that, to automate cold outreach on LinkedIn. Quickly realized that lead gen on LinkedIn is a very saturated market. I get about 10 outreaches per day with people saying that they can set 10 meetings per day. For me, the common thread between all of those outreaches is that they're all terrible. They're copy pasted, they're spammy, they shove a pitch down your throat. And so my goal with Zenith Project became to make automated, scalable outreach that was indistinguishable from real human outreach. And I'm really happy to say that is what we have achieved. You can check out on our website, we have an entire page dedicated to real conversations that people have had back and forth between themselves and Zenith Project, where they're loving the outreach or they're giving us notes like, thank you for reaching out to me this way. And so you're probably wondering at this point, okay, how did you do it? There's three ingredients to the secret sauce. The first is that I've gotten really good at AI prompt engineering. It's more of an art than a science, honestly. The second thing is that my background's in sales, not in software. I actually had to teach myself to develop in order to build Zenith Project. And that means I wasn't trying to build another Dripify, another sequencer, or another spam platform. I wanted to build a dynamic system that would evolve the conversation in a way that I would want to have a conversation if I was manually running my client's outreach. And the final thing is the game changer. And it's usually the selling point for most of my new clients, which is that generative AI is not ready to automate yet. It gets confused with context. It's enthusiastic about getting off track. It hallucinates. And so what I did was built a team of dedicated copywriters. And these specialized copywriters, their entire job is to review every single Zenith Project message that gets generated by AI and take out the AI-ness. They review the conversation. They know in their head what this client is trying for in each of their conversations. So they're kind of, herding the kittens, which are the AI agents, in order to develop these conversations in the right way. And the output is something that evolves in a very intelligent way because AI is doing 80% of the heavy lifting, the personalization, the conversation evolution. But then you also get that human feel because the human in the loop element, gets that polish that really makes it land in a way that feels genuine. And so that's Zenith Project in a nutshell.